Looking for a high-performance disc sander for any project? The Grizzly Industrial G0967 20-inch variable speed disc sander will have you covered. This machine has a large 20-inch disc that accepts PSA sanding discs and is powered by a 2 horsepower, 220-volt, single-phase, 6.5 amp motor that will get you off and running on any sanding project, perfect for metal and woodworking. The G0967 has a 500 to 1800 RPM variable speed that allows easy transition from one type of material to another. This machine's efficient disc operation significantly reduces sanding time compared to hand sanding and provides a more consistent result. This sturdy cast iron table provides essential support during sanding and is equipped with X and Y miter slots and a miter gauge that works in both directions to guide your material. The G0967 has an electric motor braking system that stops the disc from spinning when the power is switched off, and a pedal-mounted magnetic switch gives added safety and efficiency during use. Attach a dust collection hose via the 4-inch dust port for simple cleanup. The sander also features a large storage cabinet. This keeps extra sanding discs and other helpful items within reach. The Grizzly Industrial G0967 20-inch variable speed disc sander combines power, precision, and versatility for professionals and hobbyists alike. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today.